channel for another video. Thank you for my return subscribers for returning. Hello new here, my name is Keris Beauty. In today's video is going to be a collaboration video. So a brand reached out to me on TikTok and decided to send me something to use during my pregnancy, so I can't wait to show you all what it is, and I will pop them in the description down below for you to all go and check it out. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Please make sure you notification bells on before you leave, and let's go straight to the video. So I've been wanting to do this video for ages now, ever since I got the collaboration through TikTok. Now this is a gifted collaboration, and this is with a brand. I don't know if anyone's heard of them before. And the brand is, let me try and work out how you say it. The brand is called Mamabump, and they are based in the USA, and they kindly gifted me a Fetal Doppler. So the Fetal Doppler is for those mums who would like to listen to their baby's heartbeat. Now these come in 3 different colours, and the colours are 4 different colours, no 3: red, blue, green, and then a colour screen. And this is what the other colours look like on the side of the box, and then it comes up with information on the back of the box. So it comes up with Mummy's Messenger. It says, now you can safely listen to your unborn baby's heart sounds comfortably and privately at home. Enjoy the amazing experience of hearing your baby's heartbeat and hiccups, and even record them to share with families and friends in the future. So basically, because if any of your friends and family don't go to your scans with you, they don't get to listen to the baby's heart. So this is a good way of your family and friends bonding with the baby as well before they arrive. So that's one benefit that you're going to get from using it. And it says it has to be used above 16 weeks. Well, I'm almost 27 weeks. By the time this goes up, I'll be 27 weeks. So it's about the right amount of weeks to be using it. And there's so many more benefits, but I will tell you after I've unboxed it. So let's unbox it together. And this is what it looks like in like a nice clear see-through packaging. And then you get the little fetal manual as well. And this manual just basically tells you everything that you need to know. So it comes up with, it needs to put batteries in it. It gets a full battery of 5 hours. And it basically tells you what's included. It tells you like a volume up, switch machine key, volume down, auto jack so you can put headphones in. It comes up with like heart rate symbol, frequency unit, fetal heart rate, battery, alarm, volume, black light, headset connection. So it comes with a lot of things that is included. There's like other modes as well, so there's so much in this little manual. And this is what it looks like. So I have got make sure it's plugged in okay. I have got the blue one, so this is how you basically use it. So you click it on like that, and it basically come up with this. Don't know if you can see it properly, but these lines basically mean there's no obviously heart right there, and it comes up with the battery, the volume, the beats per minute. This button is turning it up. This button turns it down. This one is basically turn it off. And this is the speaker, and then in the back of it you put the battery, and then you go like this, and then you put this on to find the baby, basically on your belly where the baby is. So the benefits of using one of these is bonding with your, number one is bonding with your baby. So by bonding with your baby, you can hear their heartbeat, and it gives you that bonding time with them, because obviously you don't get to see them very often in scans. So it gives you that sort of bonding time to have just a one-to-one basis, so you and your baby have that connection. 2, very easy to use, very effective for you and for those who else want to give it a go if you are pregnant. 3, it's easy for everyone to hear the baby's heartbeat and to bond with your baby as well, so friends and family, if they don't get to go to your scans. 4, it puts your stress at so much ease. So if you're like not feeling any fetal movements, or like you're having you feel really unwell and you're really unsure on how the baby's doing, like it puts your stress levels at ease. 5, anxiety. So if you're getting like anxiety from say for example, if you've had plenty of like pregnancies throughout the past and you've had loads of complications, this can put your anxiety at a lot of rest, and it will make you feel so much more at ease. And there's some other benefits, but obviously I'll pop them on screen if I can remember them. So we are going to go and try this out so you can all see what it is like while I use it on myself. So let's go and try it out. So here we go, so here it is, and then I'm just going to press on. I have used some hand sanitizer because I didn't have any gel, but I googled it and hand sanitizer is the next best thing. So I'm just going to give it a go now. And there you go, you basically just heard her heartbeat. So I just use a load of tissue everywhere, as you do, just to wipe it all off, especially all the gel. But yeah, you basically heard her heartbeat. It does take a while just to figure out if it's her heartbeat or it's yours, but that is the Fetal Doppler, and as you can tell, it is very, very easy to use, especially on your belly. And yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Please make sure notification bell is on freely. I'll see you all soon for another video. Love to all. Bye guys.